It is what it is. It's your boy Dylan. I'm back with another video, and y'all, goddamn real world police drop goddamn arrest on G9. Arrested Glock 9 possession of stolen Glock 17. Alright, we're just gonna see what happened though. I might as well react to this shit, get a little bit of money for this shit. Like niggas get paid this shit.
What happened to that
loans and shit.
I thought you pled to that.
Nah, I got my license got suspended.
That was it? You just smoking weed? All you doing just smoking weed?
I just came from my big mama house.
Yeah, but the weed's at your feet and the floorboard.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, don't play stupid, bro.
You sweating, man. I know. You always have me working really hard. It's kind of annoying. I'm just kidding. How you get your hair to stick up like that? The band does it all? Yeah. Glock, can you here
to help out with somebody's situation? So coming back.
What the fuck is going on? Nigga, what?
Oh, that's definitely not right.
Did you place that gun in your vehicle? Did you place that gun in your vehicle? Did you carry it out of the apartment and place it in your vehicle?
Yeah, this shit is looking kind of wild already. Let me see how. I gotta see if he on some funny shit. Let me see if G9 on some funny shit.
Apartment, you want me stopping you today? Yeah, window tint is too dark and you roll past the stop sign. You stop for it, but you roll past where you're supposed to stop on Eccleston. And Goldwyn, you understand? You have to stop before the stop sign. You can't roll up to the intersection. You have to stop before the stop sign. Does that make sense? Okay, do you have your license insurance on you?
Before we start reaching around, any weapons or anything inside of the car? Sorry? I couldn't hear you. Any weapons or anything inside of the car?
This that look funny as fuck in the front seat.
Okay. I'm sorry, ma'am. I didn't catch that.
I said yes, but I have no license.
You have a license? You have your license? Okay.
Where's the firearm located at?
It's underneath my seat.
Okay.
Thank you. In the military?
No, my brother was.
Is that his car? Gotcha. Okay. Navy? Is that what it says? Army? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. 95, Mike. Yeah.
Do you have a weapon in the vehicle, ma'am?
Yeah, she just asked me that, but it's under my seat.
It's under your seat. All right. Just hang on a second.
And it's not.
Okay. Thank you. Zero under her seat. We have smell. She's got a permit. All right. You wanna?
Does anybody inside of this car have a medical marijuana card? I'm sorry? No, and yes or no? No? Okay, can you place your cell phones on the dashboard for me? Alright. What I want you to do is interlock your fingers just like that. Stay just like that for me, please. Stay just like that, okay? Interlock. Thank you, sir. Have a step out.
He said, that bitch said, I just got in the car. Bitch, shut up. Bro, the man funny as fuck, and he had the seatbelt on. Bro, the seatbelt looked tight as fuck, bro. He don't even know. Bro, I'm not, like, it's not funny that he get arrested. It's just funny how he, like,
Interlock.
how fucking tight the seatbelt was.
Stay just like that.
It wasn't no way she went for to take his ass up out of here.
Thank you, sir. Have a step out. Side step. Side step. Will you take this
Well, you
off,
need to ride with a
and then
hoodie on or
rotate
something.
you back like this.
That you is noticeable.
Is that your child, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay.
Widen your stance. Alright, so is the weed on the floorboard yours or what?
Yeah, I just got in the car.
You what?
I just got in the car.
Okay. Alright, sit back here. Can you, do you mind having a seat like actually right here instead?
Let's step back to this officer right here, ma'am, please.
Just place your hands on the car. You're not under arrest or anything. Right here, right here. Place your hands on the car. Thank you. You're not under arrest. Just a search incident to the plain smell of marijuana coming from the car. Understand? There's no more marijuana or anything like that. Just the stuff by his. Okay. Can you widen your stance for me just a tiny bit? Thank you. Nothing stored in your bra or anything like that. What are we up to today?
rate's 120, BP's 140 over 90. Hectic first day, but earning my nursing degree on.
Okay. Where are we headed?
I honestly don't know. I guess he got kicked out. Like,
You what?
he got kicked out of his house. I just can't pick him up. I don't know where we were going.
Alright. Just have a seat for me right here, and then we'll get the little one out to you. That's your daughter?
Yeah.
Okay. No other surprises inside of the car, right? I work best off of honesty, so if there's like a little bit more something.
That's my mom's car. My
Okay.
brother's in the military, so
Okay.
I couldn't say that. I don't know.
Where'd you buy the gun at?
The gun I bought from the pawn shop off West Virginia.
Okay, how long ago?
A couple months ago.
Okay. Is it in a holster or is it just
It's just
down
underneath. The clip is not in there.
Okay. And you said you have a concealed weapons
Yeah,
permit?
they have it.
Is it okay, you gave it to them already? Alright, I'll bring the little one out to you. Do you want to stay with her? I'll grab the little one. Okay, before we leave, or when you leave, this is here and it's gonna stay here for the duration of it. So make sure you pick this up before you drive off.
Not just.
Did you? Yeah, remember when I saved your life there? You're welcome. You want the baby?
Was she talking about Geneezy? Funeezy?
Right? Okay. Hi. Come here. Arms. Yay! Ooh. She's got some weight to her.
Come here, Mama.
Valid Echo 66 Alpha, and the concealed weapons permit expires in 2027.
Tango 103, Tyler. Copy a serial number on a 0. Mike Uniform Hotel 777. Have you searched this bag?
No, not at all.
We got it right here.
What?
The baby thing?
No, it was by his feet, and then this one was under the seat. Okay.
Go ahead.
Yeah, not quite 20 as far as what we found yet.
Hey, 0 stolen.
Nice.
She said, hey, what? 0 stolen. See, but, yeah.
So yeah, are you supposed to?
Where was it?
Under her.
Or she's licensed.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think she's licensed to carry a stolen gun.
Yeah. I saw that window. I got it. That thing is taken, handled with kid gloves, and processed for DNA.
Yeah.
Tango 103.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
Enter 1040 confirm with Orange County.
10-4.
Yeah, she told me she got it from a pawn store when I asked. So.
Sierra 53044001610.
I'll be right back. Yeah, we got it. Secure for a second. Go secure. Hey, secure for a second. We got it. You have it? I got it. Hey, secure for a second.
He's over here.
I'll be right back.
It's Ryder in the back seat. It's Ryder back there in the rear.
Oh, you know.
I was saying that was the guy we were trying to ID earlier that we ended up getting ID'd. Ryder, the guy in the rear right passenger seat back there.
What's up, bro? You play paintball out there? You like paintball?
How the fuck they did all that with that picture? I mean, with the
Yeah, I'm not done
chain.
searching it, but yeah, I'm good.
Shit, I seen it.
I'll ask him right now. I'll talk to him.
They must think his ass gonna get up and run.
Yep, I got it right here. Alright, bye. You convicted felon now, man? You convicted felon now? What do you mean you don't know? You don't know? Didn't you plead to that pill charge? Convicted delinquent? What happened to that pill charge? I thought you pled to that.
Nah, I got my license got suspended.
That was it?
I got suspended.
What was you convicted delinquent on?
That's something I did a long time ago.
For that felony charge?
I got direct out.
Oh, so you got direct out as an adult. Okay, so it's a felony. So you are a convicted felon.
I don't know.
How do you not know that, man? I mean, you're a smart guy.
Nah, because I never was. My lawyer kept telling me I was going to get the delinquent.
Okay. Well, you know there's a gun in here, right? You are a convicted felon. I'm telling you that now, but there is a gun in here. Yeah? You didn't know that? Are you sure you didn't have your hands on it? Because we're going to find out.
Nah, I just got in the car.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where you coming from?
My big mama house.
Okay. Alright, no problem.
This baby mama.
You just smoking weed? All you doing is just smoking weed?
Nah, I just came from my big mama house.
Yeah, but the weed's at your feet in the floorboard.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, don't play stupid, bro. Yeah, I can smell it all over you, man.
Damn. The fuck we have in the engine? AK-47? The fuck? These folks is wild as hell.
Nothing so far.
You get behind the door now.
No, I only stayed on this side of the car.
Okay.
Because
yeah,
we'd be very curious to know what she got that stuff from.
Yeah.
I'd say that she's been 15 months.
I think she told Tim a pawn shop.
Huh?
I think she told Tim a pawn shop.
Bullshit.
Yeah, well, yeah. Hey, it's true.
All three of these came from his hand.
The intersection of John Young and Church Street. Not at this time.
Is there a button on that side of the coffee car? I think I left the keys in there. If not, I can.
I'll have to get back with. I'll have to get back with primary. Just give me a few minutes. What'd you drop in there? I'm sorry.
Oh, there we go. I knew I left it in there.
Were they writing a search warrant? No, they have to get the search warrant. Okay? Then they'll look through your phone. The only thing that the code does is it gets you the phone back quicker. So they can have it dumped within a week.
How long it takes? Like a week?
Or if they don't have the code, then they'll crack it. Okay? That's the only reason they want the code. So, okay. I don't. So, you want to give it to them?
Yeah, especially in long sleeves.
Well, I said, hello, you sweating like you sweat.
I know. You always always have me working really hard. It's kind of annoying. I'm just kidding.
She trying to fuck.
What? How long? What?
I'm just playing.
It was your driver that did the traffic infractions. Driver did traffic infractions, but the weed was by your feet. How you get your hair to stick up like that? The band does it all? Okay, yeah. Hang on, keep your feet kicked out still.
Hang
on, yeah.
Check your double lock.
Yeah.
You got my keys.
Yeah, like
Standing with you, I'm not sure. They're gonna explain everything to you.
That's green as fuck. I ain't gonna lie.
Glock, can you here?
He said he just got in the car.
So see right here.
That's loud as fuck though. Like.
Alright, so like we talked about right before we ran the gun and all that kind of stuff, you told me you got it at a pawn shop, right? Okay, so the gun is coming back as a stolen status, okay? That doesn't necessarily mean that you stole it, but in order for us to communicate anything about that stolen gun, I have to read you your rights. Doesn't mean that you're under arrest by any means. Traffic stops are detention by nature because the blue lights go on, that means you have to stop. So, because the gun is stolen, plus that, I'm going to read you your rights. Like I said, it does not mean that you're under arrest, okay? Alright, so you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand? Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand? You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand? And when you say that means yes? Yes. Okay. So you've understood all of thus far. If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one will be provided for you before questioning without charge. Do you understand? Yes. Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get you to talk to me? No. Okay. So what store did you say it was bought at? Okay, so it's okay if what you said previous wasn't. Yeah. Okay.
It's not, but I'm not here to talk with these cameras either.
Okay.
Only for certain reasons.
Okay.
But so it's not mine.
Okay.
But because I have my license, I asked if it was clean, to help out with somebody's situation. Okay. That's the only reason. Okay. I don't buy stolen guns.
Come on, man.
It's from the store, and I can go get a receipt with the serial number on it. Okay. So, but no. So coming back stolen is definitely not mine. Right. But like I said, because I have my license, I try to help people out. Right. But if it's come back stolen, I don't even, not even with a baby. Like I'm not a type of mother like that. I don't do that type of stuff. You can ask even my mom. I don't play like that. Cause if you look at my record, I've never been in jail for anything. Okay. I don't do that. So right now, who all were you in the car with? I have to ask these questions. It seems silly because I've been here the entire time, but the fact of the matter is the gun is stolen, so I have to ask these questions. It's not saying that you're arrested for it, you're being charged with it, but it's just I have to ask questions in a manner that sometimes seems silly to us, but it's not in the grand scheme of things. So, who was present in the car with you when we stopped you today? I have a friend was in the car with me. Okay, and what do you know the friend as? Hi. Glock 9. Do you know his real name? Jaquavius. Okay. So.
Bro.
You said that.
Bro, I don't wish jail on nobody. But shawty, your ass is tripping. You knew what time it was. You know how this man rock. So if you rocking with this man, it ain't no way. You shouldn't even had that baby in the car, first of all. If you know what I'm saying? And after that, you should have just said, bro, you know what I'm saying? I understand, but I got real dark tint, so you gonna be straight. You feel me? Or you could have just brought your gun. Why you bring your gun, dummy? Ah! Now.
You picked him up because him and his child's mother got into a fight. Was that part of the truth, or?
Yeah, I don't know what they had going on.
Okay. And where did you pick him up from?
The Lake Manning Park.
Okay.
So one of you guys, they followed me out of there.
Okay.
Yeah, because I already knew when he was behind me.
So what was the conversation like when he followed you? Like when you noticed his car behind you, like what was the conversation in the car like?
I just asked the gun was clean.
Okay. So he, at that time when he saw Detective Kavanaugh behind you, handed you the gun?
No. The gun was in the back seat.
Okay.
On the floor.
How did it get introduced to your vehicle?
Well, you already know that question.
Like I said, I have to ask questions that seem silly to you.
Questions, but I just, there's too many cameras for me. Like, I just try to explain to you, like,
okay. Well, can I ask you something? Is your DNA going to come back on that gun? Okay. Is Jaquavia Smith Glock 9's DNA going to come back on that gun?
came from that home. It didn't come from my home. It didn't come from my home. Anything that comes from my home has,
Alright, so were there any guns in your car before you got to the Lake Man complex?
And he's the only person that's been in your car since, other than your, how old is she? 1-year-old.
We really wanted a new home, but with kids and pets, selling seemed really stressful.
Yes? Okay. So, no other female, male, or any kind of adult figure went inside any passenger compartment in your car the entire
that's
time?
my mom's car. As you see, like you asked me, my brother's in the military, so she doesn't even play that weed smell or anything like that. I just did a favor to pick up a friend just to get him out of the situation because I didn't want him to go to jail for like a domestic violence type of thing.
Okay.
But
Did he place that gun in your vehicle? Did he place that gun in your vehicle? Did he carry it out of the apartment and place it in your vehicle?
Let me ask you, where was it on the back seat? It wasn't her, right?
Boy, they trying to do this boy dirty. Boy, they gonna make sure they do everything in their power to get this boy. And that shit is sad. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy that y'all gotta ask her all these obvious ass questions that y'all know, but instead of like them doing some other shit like taking both of them to jail and them both fighting the case for the gun, they basically trying to make her snitch with obvious questions. And it's like she don't want to say yes, and she want to say no because she want to help him. But at the same time, I understand the baby situation. I understand you got a baby, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to go on your record, but you knew what time it was when you put yourself in this predicament to go pick this man up. You know how this man ride. This man is, if you with this man, you with this man. That's all I'm saying. So you got to know what's coming with this shit, bro. You should at least had your gun in the car, so if they stopped you, oh, my gun is clean, this ain't his gun. You know what I'm saying? All the real smart shit to do. And on his end, he should have said something to her like, hey, pull up with your fight. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, bro? Just on some smart shit. And I understand niggas pride be up, but nigga, these crackers on your ass, boy.
no.
Because I don't want any kind of like child neglect.
I already know how that stuff goes. And
Where in
like
the
I
back
said,
seat was it?
behind my seat.
Okay. And she was in the seat behind the
By
passenger.
him,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Because I don't even like my gun getting on them because Glocks don't have safety.
Where were y'all heading?
I honestly was going to ask him that, but I was so focused on him behind us, and I already know the situation. A lot of times when y'all pull him over, he's like a target in the system. So that's why I was like, I'm asking him all this questions. I want to make sure
Everything's clean.
everything before, because obviously I have to stop. I can't be trying to chase.
What intersection did that gun get moved from the from the rear compartment to the front under your seat? Because I saw you guys moving around a lot at the stoplight, at one of the stoplights. So that's when it went from the back seat. He reached from the back seat and then handed it to you. Yeah. Did you touch it at all, or just took out the clip? Okay.
All I did was take out the clip. That's it.
Okay.
If there's 1 or 2 fingerprints,
and then he placed it under you, or you placed it under him?
Just because I know his situation and that, like I said, I didn't want anything.
Have you ever been pulled over for your window tint before? For being
Honestly,
too dark?
with my mom's car, I don't really drive it like that. I drive my car, but she doesn't get pulled over like that, so she's never. And I don't even know why she has it that dark, because I can't even see out those windows. Mine, I had like 15, even though it's still legal, but I can't do 5 like that.
15's legal in the back.
Oh, it is?
15's not legal on the on the front too. But you said it was 5 on that car?
I think it's 5 all the way around, because I can barely see out of it.
Yeah. It was very dark.
But yeah, I do apologize. If I could take the car from them, I would have, but if it's stolen, I definitely not taking the car. Because like I said, I'm not going to go to jail for no gas.
I understand.
And I have kids. Like, she's not my only baby. I have a son. I mean, child of by the situation, that's why I asked her, Mom, is it clean? Is it clean? Because if it's clean, I have a license, you know, I can try to cover it out. But if it's not clean, I'm not taking it for it. That's why I already figured, like, when you were like, oh, come over here, I already figured it wasn't clean. So, that's what I said. That's why I said I'm going to read you your rights. I already knew it was clean.
Alright, so this is what's going on, okay? We're getting a cage car for him. He's going to go to jail for the week. Okay? Is that your read or is that?
No, I don't. Okay.
Now, I just want to clarify. This is your vehicle, your brother's vehicle, right? You came over to pick him up today because he was having problems with his girlfriend. All right, he put his things in your car, and in the process, he put this gun in your car. You did not put this gun in this car, correct? Did he put this gun in this car? Is that correct? Yes or no? Okay. How long before you started driving did he put the gun in the car? Like, do you have an approximate time? Was it?
He gave it to me on the backseat.
No, like before he got in the car, before you guys started driving. I know, like, how long did it take? How long did he put the gun? How long was it from after he put the gun in the car until you left?
What do you mean?
Okay.
Like,
taking the
step out the house.
Yeah.
To my car. I give for like a good 20, 30 minutes.
Okay. Thank you.
We good?
We're good. Yeah.
You want him to deal with you?
Sure.
Cabin all works for driver's license. Maybe just take a picture. This is the thing you got to put down. How are those nails? You mean help? It's like a little, that little thing in the middle you got to press down.
This shit got me stuck. Going to jail all the time.
It's straight though. I know. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Jackson.
Good luck to you, though.
Yes, sir.
Or your seatbelt on.
If y'all want to see more reactions, y'all know what channel to come back to. It's your boy Dill. I'm out of here.